So in the basic mathematics, what is important is tables. Many of us, right, after schooling, we will not be using tables, so we will forget it and we will not be able to calculate properly. Use this method to calculate the tables properly. Okay, so usually the meaning of tables is 8 into 3 is, if you add 8 to it 3 times, what is the answer? This is the meaning of this, correct? Correct. Now, how to, suppose you forgot it, what is 8 into 7, or if you forget it, how to go about it is, see, 8 into 1, 8, correct? 8 into 2, you have to add 8 to this, right? So if you want to add 8 to this, right, some people will find it difficult, right? You have to add like 9, 10, 11, 12, you have to add like that. So it will be difficult. So instead of adding 8, you can add 10 easily. Plus 10 you can add easily. So if you add plus 10, it will come 18. After adding plus 10, you can separate 2 to add 8. So adding 8 is what? Adding 8 is you have to go 8 forward, right? In the number system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adding 8 now, you have to go 8 forward. Adding means what? Going forward in the number system. Separating is what? Coming back in the number system, right? So 5 plus 3 is what? Plus 3. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Going forward in the number system. 5 minus 3 is what? Coming backward. Plus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is what is addition and subtraction, right? Addition is going forward, subtraction is coming backward. So addition, if you want to go, if you have to go 8 forward, right? Instead of that, what I'm telling you is, you go 10 forward and come 2 backward. This is equal to adding 8, right? Okay, so adding 10, you get 18, then subtract 2, it is 16, right? So 8 3s are, this is what I told you, right? Add 10 is 26, subtract 2 is 24. Okay, this is how. Suppose you forgot what is 8 into 7. What you do is, if you remember tables, some guys know 8 into 5 is 40. So 8 6 are, adding 8 is, you can straight away do 40 plus 8, 48. And 8 into 7, if you forget it, go here, 58 plus 10 minus 2, 56. This is how you have to recollect tables. If you forget, many people I have seen are doing the tables wrong. 8 tables, go, you have to add 10 and subtract 1. Okay, in 9 table, 8 tables you have to add 10 and subtract 2. 9 table, minus 1. 7 table, minus 3. Right? Okay. And basic addition, right? Let's see how many of you able to tell. Like immediately 172 plus 243. Immediately if they ask, right, if you want to add this, how you do it immediately? So when you want to add two numbers, right, the immediate thing you can do is first add little by little. Okay, you have to add 126 to this, right? First add 100, it become 305. Then add 20, 305, 325. Then add 6, 325 plus 6. So 325 plus 6 you have to add, right? So from 325 go to 330 first. 330 you have to add 5. And then you have to add 6. You have already added 5 plus 1. So 331 is the answer. Use this kind of logic to add, multiply and all, right? Always when you add some number, right? So 18 plus 7 or okay, 18 plus 7, first go to 20. Because if you go to 20, adding the rest is easy. To go to 20, you have to add 2. What is remaining in 7? 5 is remaining. So plus 5, 25. So these kind of tricks is what you need to understand. Basic addition, basic multiplication, right? You should be able to think and do it. It's good for your brain also. The next important thing in mathematics is, if you are given one data, from that data, how you derive the next data. This is what is the most important things, right? Which I told you before, which is for 2 rupees, if you get 8 chocolates, for 6 rupees, how many chocolates you will get? Okay. The rule is, basically For 2 rupees, you get 8 chocolates. Now for 6 rupees, this is in rupees. This is in number of quantity, right? Number of chocolates, right? So from here to here, how many times it has increased, right? How many times it has increased is by 6 by 2 times, correct? 3 times it has increased, right? Similarly, here it also will increase 3 times, correct? So you just need to multiply 8 by 6 by 2, that's it. Okay, this one, just this divided by this, and you have to multiply with this to get the answer. So this will be 24 chocolates. For 2 rupees, if you get 8 chocolate, for 1 rupee, you will get 4 chocolates. For 6 rupees, you get 24 chocolates. Always put this map when somebody asks you questions like this. Okay, you can do like this, or just multiply this 2 and then divide by this. 6 into 8 divided by 2. This and this are same, correct? This is what you have to think when a question is given. This I have told you before. Always register this in your mind. The question I gave you is, okay, so for 3 rupees you get 36 pencils. For 14 rupees, how many pencils? Same thing. Multiply this and divide by this. 36 into 14 divided by 3. Right? This and this is what? 18 times. And if you multiply 8 into 4, 32, 3 is 72, 0, 18, 2, 8, 7 is 15, right? 252 is coming.
12 times.
This is 14 into 36 divided by 3, right? Oh, you can do this one, right? Oh, this one you can cancel. This is 1. Oh, sorry, this is 12. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Okay. So these kind of mistakes don't make. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 2, 12 times. This will be 8, 4 ones are 4, 0, 12, 8, 6, 1. So 168. Okay, so this is very important. This is called the basics of everything in mathematics. Always remember this. When one quantity is given, when one thing is given, right? You have one equation, right? For 3 rupees, 6 chocolate. Okay. Ulta is also true, right? Suppose for 36 rupees, for 36, you will get 36 chocolates for 3 rupees. If I want to buy 168 chocolates, how many rupees I have to give? Then you have to put this in this one. Wherever you have the two values, you have to put in the left hand side. Correct? Then the same thing. 168 into 3 divided by 36. So if you divide right, this will be 18. And if you divide by 3 times, it will be 5 or 15, 6. Divide by 3, 9. Huh? No, I am dividing by in the 3 tables, right?
Yeah, it's not 18.
This is 9, right?
No, sir. Actually, 3 divided by 36 is 12.
Sorry. The same mistake I am doing. This is 12 and this is 56. Okay, and again I can divide by 3, right? This will be 1. 2, 26, not dividing. But this is 3 tables, you cannot divide. Divide in 2 tables is 2 2s are 4, 28. Here it is 6. It's not coming properly. I did a mistake somewhere. 168 into 3 divided by 36, correct? This is 12 times. This we can cancel in 3 tables, right? 3 4s are, yeah. See, tables I also forgot. 3 4s are 12, right? And here you get 5, 6, right? In 4 tables you can cancel it straight away, right? 4 ones are 4, 14. So answer is 14. You got it right? Okay. So what is the important thing is you have to practice this. Long back I practiced this, right? I never used to do this, but this is the basic rule. So same rule, okay? This is the next most important thing in mathematics. You need to know this, okay? And next is the basic algebra. So we'll see basic algebra in the next video.